Okay, quick little video on how to take apart a Lionchief Remote. First thing, you're going to need a #1 screwdriver, a drill with a 1/8" drill bit, a soldering iron, I'm just using a tip, some scissors, 2 Allen keys. They can be any size as long as they are smaller than the 1/8" drill bit. So these relate to that, and I'll tell you more in a minute. And then some chem wick rosin. I like the rosin kind. This is a desoldering braid. Comes in a giant roll. It works really good. All right, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and we'll look at the back and go ahead and take the batteries out. And then there's going to be 4 screws right here. Take that out with the screwdriver. Pull those out, and when you pull this off, the black and the red are going to be connected right here. So you're going to take your soldering iron and melt that to get the red one off, and then melt this one to get the black one off, and then this back cover is done. And then you're going to see this right here. This is the back of the board, and you can go ahead and take these 4 screws out. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then what we're looking at here is these 3 tabs right here. Those little I don't know, posts or whatever. But these will be soldered, and those need to be gone. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this chem wick, and you're going to put this right here. If I can do this, you know, one-handed, you're going to put that there, and then you're going to melt that, and we're going to get that solder to soak into these fine, it's just like a weave, and it'll soak right in. And this is the rosin kind, and this already has a little bit of rosin in there to help that kind of soak up in there. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of do this side, get that side good. You're gonna flip it around, and then you're going to do the other side right here. And once you get it about 95% gone, what I like to do is I like to just take it, and it'll be one of these, it'll be stuck to either up or down. You want to melt that and just push it forward, and then once that's loose, then it should be able to pop right out. And then once it's loose, you're going to kind of wiggle it, and then one will get free, and then you'll wiggle it, and then another one will get free, and then eventually all 3 will pop out. And so then you got your board, and it pops right out. All right, now, okay, so we got that out. Now we're going to take your little buttons. Those can just fly right out. And then the next thing we need to do, and I've already done this, is you're going to take your drill, and you're going to drill right here, and right here, and it's not critical. You can kind of be anywhere in here, but I drill right here and right here. And the #1 thing here is you only want to drill the blue on this one. You don't want to drill completely through. So because it's going to drill, you're going to drill, and then you're going to feel a little jolt forward, stop. So you don't want to keep drilling through. So you're only going to drill through the blue here. And then what you do is you take your Allen keys, and you're going to put one of them in here. This is the only way to get that front knob off. So you're going to take your 2 keys, and I'm going to try to do it one-handed. But you're going to take those and you're going to squeeze, and that's going to... I almost got it. There we go. And it went flying. But you get the idea. So that's the only way to get these off. If you try to take vice grips or something and pull that out, you are going to chew the heck out of it. So you want to go ahead and drill it from the back and then pop those through to get that off. And then this is just a standard nut. You can take that off. You can probably just take that off with needle nose. But that's how you take it all apart. That's everything. And then to reverse, it's the same thing. You want to go ahead, put it all back together. And then the main thing is your screws, and then resolder those back on there, and then resolder those 2 pieces back on there, flip that on, put your screws back in, and you're ready to go. But there you go. That's how you take it apart, put it back together. Thanks for watching.